Hey, it's time for the Tiny Mic. We're going out into the hallways and checking out what kids are going to say about open house. Open house is this Sunday. It is the 27th of October. It starts at 11 o'clock. Come out to Marist and check us out. Let's see what the kids have to say.
Hi, I'm an Independence Patriot, and I think all the Patriots should come to open house to get to meet the teachers a little bit better and see how the Marist students go through their everyday lives.
Come to open house because we have a lot of fun activities at open house, and you get to meet the teachers. They're really great.
You could get a taste of the high school experience.
Check out the band. We're going to be there all day, and we're going to be playing some great songs for you guys.
And you can see the investment club and the business club in action.
To meet all the great people.
I'm a junior here at Marist, and I think you should come to open house because the teachers are really welcoming.
You guys should come to open house because Marist is a great school with a great principal. And also, we have amazing lunches over here. Like, look at these lunch tables. Go show my friends. And they're great people. Like, it's really a great community here.
Come out to open house this Sunday at 11.
Shout out Warriors. Come to open house.
Open house gives you a chance to talk to teachers, get the environment around you right. You really can get to understand the energy and how it feels to be welcomed at Marist.
What would you say about our energy here?
You know, you feel very welcome when you walk inside Marist. You feel like, oh yeah, I really do belong here.
Oh, nice. How about you?
It's very electric. Like, you know, you want to be here. You know, like school's fun. You know.
Go see the sports. I'll be at the Marist lacrosse table.